Hey bright minders, ready for a sweet IQ math challenge? You'll get each question, beat the timer if you can. Comment your score. Let's go. Number 1. Time's up. Lollipop 10, cupcake 7, chocolate 3, answer 20. Number 2. Time's up. Cookie 5, candy 2, cupcake 4. Answer 11. Number 3. Time's up. Tart 20, candy 5, chocolate 7, answer 17. Number 4. Time's up. Donut 6, lollipop 8, cupcake 7. Answer 15. Number 5. Time's up. Tart 28, candy 22, cookie 6. Answer 56. Number 6. Time's up. Chocolate 15, cupcake 10, lollipop 2. Answer 27. Number 7. Time's up. Candy 11, cookie 18, tart 9. Answer 20. Number 8. Time's up. Cupcake 25, lollipop 20, chocolate 5. Answer 40. Number 9. Time's up. Tart 15, donut 10, candy 20. Answer 35. Number 10. Time's up. Cookie 11, lollipop 12, candy 3. Answer 15. Number 11. Time's up. Cupcake 12, lollipop 10, chocolate 6. Answer 16. Number 12. Time's up. Tart 20, chocolate 10, candy 5. Answer 25. Number 13. Time's up. Chocolate 7, lollipop 3, tart 10. Answer 38. Number 14. Time's up. Cookie 40, lollipop 30, cupcake 15. Answer, 55. Number 15. Time's up. Cupcake 12, donut 20, lollipop 8. Answer, 20. Good job. How many did you get right? Tell me your score in the comments and share for a friend challenge. Smash that like and follow for more Sweet IQ quizzes. See you next round.